Hello, this is Emily coming at you from Prince George Ford, and today we are looking at the 2025 Ford F-150 XLT Lightning. Coming in this nice carbonized gray coloring, this vehicle is powered by a dual E-motor with standard battery range, has all-wheel drive capabilities, and comes equipped with a max trailer tow package and a 9.6 kilowatt Pro Power Onboard. Taking a look at the back, here we do get rear park sensing, tow hitch, backup camera with a bed camera as well. We even get a bed liner with this vehicle, tailgate step, the nice Lightning logo, a nice black gripped running board on each side, side view camera, turn light indicated, blind spot detection, a nice place to plug in your vehicle as well for charging. And moving to the front, we got recovery hooks, license plate bracket, front view camera, faux grille, that nice customary LED light bar. This vehicle does come equipped with a powered frunk, which you can open on the key fob. There's a little button down there as well, or a button by the driver's side, which provides you with quite a bit of cargo space. You get hooks and doodads to hold your stuff down, and you also get your storage underneath with a mobile power cord that you can set up at your house. And we do get the ability to turn your lights on or off, your Pro Power Onboard, which is pretty nice. And to close, all you have to do, hit that button right there, and it will close automatically for you. Taking a look in the back, here we can see this vehicle does seat up to 5 pretty comfortably with this nice gray cloth interior, plenty of door space, floor mats, carpeted interior, cup holders and storage, rear vents with some outlets for charging. We get a tire pressure system, which is pretty handy, cloth floor mats, and a nice split folding rear bench seat, which is perfect for extra storage. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we can see we do have a mostly powered driver's seat, with this being the only manual part. Same cloth interior we saw in the back there. Plenty of door space up front. Got your frunk, lights, parking brake, and pedal adjusters all on your left-hand side. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see here the odometer is sitting at 38.6 kilometers. We do get this nice leather-up steering wheel, toggle for your screen, phone and media, volume, voice, and cruise control. Looking at our screen here, we do get My View, Trip, Truck Info, Towing, Navigation, Phone, Audio, and other settings. To my right, over gear select this collapsible storage, cup holders, outlets, your center console with more storage underneath, got a trailer brake, Protrailer assist, heated front seats with dual climate, some outlets on the side here, you got upper and lower storage on the dash, and we have hazards traction, a nice 360 view of the vehicle, which you can go for different camera angles. And looking here, we're going to go to our audio real quick, which has AM, FM, Bluetooth, and SiriusXM. We got our phone controls, our navigation, fave apps such as messaging, email, Pro Power Onboard, drive modes, charge settings, all that jazz. Any apps you may download show up right here with your Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Got your settings and features of the vehicle. I'm just going to click into our drive mode right here, which is normal, sport, tow and haul, off-road, slippery, one pedal drive, locking differential, and hill descent. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is WG17603, and you can head on down to PG Ford or give us a call.